Hello? Alright, testing. 1, 2, 3. Does this shit work? Okay. There's a huge echo in this room. What's up, YouTube? So this video is a little different. It's just a video of me installing these Kryptonite Products wheel bearings. But I have the GoPro in the what do you call that shit? Time-lapse mode, that's what it's called. I had it in time-lapse mode. If not, this video would have been like an hour, 2 hours long. I got it pretty fast forwarded, but if you know how to work on these things, don't watch the video. If you never worked on one before or you need a little help, hey, it might help you out, you never know. Yeah, this voiceover stuff's kind of weird. But watch the video. I think I'm just gonna switch it over to some copyright free audio, and hope you enjoy. And also a shout out to Kryptonite Products. Thanks for helping me out with these wheel bearings here. And one more thing, guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, it really helps me out. If you like the video, great, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. You got any advice or something you liked or don't like, let me know in the comments, man. It's all good. So that was pretty much it, guys. I got the whole left side done. The rest of the video is just gonna be the right side. If you wanna watch it, cool. I appreciate that. If not, go ahead and dip out. Thanks for watching anyway, and see y'all on the trails.